In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get LinkedIn Premium for free. We will walk through the process step by step, ensuring you don't miss any details as you embark on your LinkedIn Premium journey. So let's dive in. First, let's begin by opening your LinkedIn app on your phone or device. Once you've got it opened, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile icon. Here, you'll notice an option that says Try Premium for $0. Now, the currency displayed might vary to euros, pesos, or your local currency depending on your location, but the offer remains the same. Go ahead and tap on that enticing option. Upon hitting the Try Premium button, LinkedIn will prompt you to specify your primary goal for using Premium. This is an important part of the process, as LinkedIn wants to tailor your experience. Whether you're using LinkedIn Premium for networking, job searching, or enhancing your personal brand, make sure to choose the option that best aligns with your motivations. Once you've carefully selected your goal, simply tap Next. Now here's a little patience check. The following screen might take a moment to load depending on your internet speed. While it's loading, consider the added benefits that LinkedIn Premium offers, such as improved networking opportunities, advanced job search features, and insights that can really elevate your personal branding efforts. Once the loading is complete, you'll see another option. Try now for $0, which once again might reflect your local currency. Tap on this and LinkedIn will display your career plan's free trial details. This means starting today, you'll have immediate access to LinkedIn's suite of premium features, tools, and insights, offering you a wealth of opportunities right at your fingertips. Here's an essential part to keep in mind. 23 days after starting your trial, LinkedIn will courteously remind you via email that your trial is ending in 7 days. This essentially means you have a total of 30 days to explore premium features at no cost. It's important to note that unless you decide to cancel, your paid subscription will automatically begin once the trial period ends. Fortunately, LinkedIn offers you the flexibility to cancel anytime during this 30-day window, if you choose not to continue with the subscription. If you're ready to make the most of this free trial and understand that it might transition into a paid plan after a month, simply tap Try Now for $0 and provide the necessary payment details. Once you've entered the correct details, your free trial with LinkedIn Premium will kick off immediately. And there you have it. That's how to get LinkedIn Premium for free. If this guide helped you and you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials, and to stay updated, hit the bell icon for notifications on new uploads. Thanks for watching and enjoy your LinkedIn Premium experience.